You don't need a degree, a following, or a tech background to make money online in 2025. In fact, you can start today with just Wi-Fi and a little hustle. Seriously, it's never been easier to create an income stream from your laptop, even if you're starting from scratch. But here's the key. Don't just watch this passively. Grab a notebook and pen right now, because I'm going to walk you through real, proven ways to make money online, even if you have zero experience. You'll want to take notes. This is how to make money online, no experience needed. And if you're serious about building your income, subscribe now so you don't miss out on weekly tips. Okay, let's dive right into the first method, freelancing with AI. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Freelancing, but I don't have any skills. And that's where AI comes in. Think of AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut as your personal assistants, helping you deliver high-quality work even if you're just starting out. Let's say writing isn't your strong suit, no problem. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling blog posts, engaging social media captions, even website copy. Just give it a topic and some keywords, and boom, instant content. And if design seems intimidating, Canva has your back. It's like having a graphic design team at your fingertips, with pre-made templates for everything from logos to social media graphics to presentations. You can customize them to your liking or start from scratch. It's incredibly user-friendly. Video editing is another hot skill, and CapCut makes it a breeze. You can easily trim and edit videos, add music and transitions, and create professional-looking content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. The best part? You can learn these tools in a matter of hours. There are tons of free tutorials on YouTube and the platforms themselves. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to find clients. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are bursting with businesses looking for freelancers with these skills. Create a profile, highlight your AI proficiency, and start pitching. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start landing gigs and earning money online. Now let's talk about building a passive income stream with digital products on Etsy. Imagine this. You create a product once, list it for sale, and then it generates income for you on autopilot. That's the power of digital products. And the beauty of it is, you don't need to be a design guru to create amazing products. Canva is your secret weapon here too. You can use it to design stunning printable planners, budget sheets, social media templates, even digital art prints. The possibilities are endless. Think about what people are searching for online. Are you into fitness? Create workout planners or meal trackers? Passionate about organization? Design stylish to-do lists or journal prompts? The key is to find a niche and create high-quality products that people will love. Once you have a few products ready to go, setting up your Etsy shop is a piece of cake. Etsy makes it incredibly easy to list your products, set your prices, and start selling. And because it's a platform specifically designed for handmade and digital goods, you'll have a built-in audience of eager buyers. Promote your Etsy shop on social media. Pinterest is a goldmine for digital product creators, and watch the sales roll in. The best part? You can manage your entire business from your laptop, anywhere in the world. Let's move on to another fantastic way to make money online. Affiliate marketing. This one's all about recommending products you love and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or handle customer service. You're simply connecting people with products they're looking for and getting rewarded for it. There are countless affiliate programs out there, but some popular ones to get started with include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact Radius. Sign up for an account, browse their selection of products, and choose ones that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Now, how do you get people to use your affiliate link? That's where content creation comes in. You can start a blog using free platforms like WordPress.com or Medium and write reviews, comparisons, or tutorials about the products you're promoting. Social media is another powerful tool for affiliate marketing. Share your experiences with the products, create engaging content, and include your affiliate links in your bio or posts. Remember, authenticity is key. People can spot a sales pitch a mile away. Focus on providing value, being genuine, and recommending products that you truly believe in. Chapter 4. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. Are you passionate about a particular subject? Do you have a knack for explaining things in a way that's easy to understand? If so, online tutoring might be your calling. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and OutSchool connect you with students from all over the world who are eager to learn. You can teach English as a second language, tutor math, science, history, music, or even offer specialized skills like coding or graphic design. The best part? You don't need a teaching degree to get started. While having some qualifications can be beneficial, many platforms prioritize your ability to connect with students and explain concepts clearly. Set your own rates, create your own schedule, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. It's a flexible and rewarding way to make money online while sharing your knowledge with others. To stand out from the crowd, create engaging lesson plans, incorporate interactive activities, and be patient and encouraging with your students. Building a strong reputation as a tutor will lead to more bookings and higher earnings. Chapter 5. AI-generated content, your content machine. Now let's talk about leveraging the power of AI to create and sell content online. This is a game changer, especially if you're looking for a scalable way to generate income. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you create high-quality ebooks, social media content calendars, even scripts for YouTube videos. You can even use AI art generators to create unique pieces of digital art. The key here is to find a niche and create content that solves a specific problem or meets a specific need. For example, you could create motivational quote ebooks, journal prompts for self-discovery, or even children's books with captivating illustrations generated by AI. Once you have your content ready, platforms like Gumroad and Ko-Fi make it incredibly easy to sell digital downloads directly to your audience. You can also bundle your content and sell it as packages on Etsy. The beauty of this method is that once you've created the content, it can continue to generate income for you passively. Promote your products on social media, build an email list, and watch your online business grow. Chapter 6. Short-form video editing. Capitalize on the trend. Short-form video is booming and creators are constantly looking for skilled editors to help them take their content to the next level. If you have an eye for detail and a knack for storytelling, this could be your ticket to online income. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are flooded with creators who need help with editing, adding captions, music, sound effects, and creating visually appealing transitions. You don't need fancy software or years of experience to get started. Free apps like CapCut and InShot offer powerful editing tools that are easy to learn and use. Start by practicing on your own videos, or offer free edits to friends or creators in your niche to build your portfolio. Once you're confident in your skills, start reaching out to creators and offering your services. You can find potential clients directly on social media platforms or join freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Set competitive rates, deliver high-quality work, and build strong relationships with your clients. Word-of-mouth referrals are gold in the freelance world and can lead to a steady stream of work. Chapter 7. Sell unused stuff, turn clutter into cash. Now let's talk about a quick and easy way to make money online by selling things you already own but no longer use. We all have clutter in our homes, clothes we don't wear, electronics we've upgraded from, books we've already read. Why not turn those items into cash? Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and OfferUp make it incredibly easy to list and sell your unwanted items to a wide audience. Take clear photos, write detailed descriptions, set fair prices, and watch the bids roll in. eBay is a great option for selling a wide variety of items, from vintage collectibles to electronics to clothing. Poshmark is a popular platform for selling women's clothing and accessories, while Mercari is known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of categories. OfferUp is a fantastic option for selling locally, allowing you to connect with buyers in your area and avoid shipping costs. Simply list your items, communicate with potential buyers through the app, and arrange a safe and convenient pickup location. Selling unused stuff is a great way to declutter your home, make some extra cash, and give your belongings a second life. You'll be surprised at how much money you can make by simply clearing out your closets and drawers. Outro. Take action. Your online income starts now. If you made it this far, you've already got what it takes. You're motivated, you're eager to learn, and you're ready to take control of your financial future. Pick one of these ideas, take action today, and let 2025 be the year you build your online income. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and never give up. The online world is full of opportunities, and with a little hustle and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which idea are you starting with? I'm excited to see what you accomplish. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more weekly money tips.